Ever wondered if that app you use for tracking your receipts and expenses, Expensify, is actually a SaaS company? It seems like a straightforward question, right? They offer software, you subscribe, it's in the cloud, classic SaaS. But let's dig a little deeper, because the world of business models, especially in tech, isn't always as black and white as it appears. Think about it. When we hear SaaS, what immediately comes to mind? Salesforce, right? Or Adobe Creative Cloud, Slack, Zoom. These are companies that provide a core software application delivered over the internet on a subscription basis. You pay a recurring fee, and you get access to the software, along with updates, maintenance, and often, support. The beauty of SaaS is its scalability, its accessibility from anywhere, and the continuous improvement model. For businesses, it eliminates the need for expensive on-premise hardware and complex installations. Now, let's look at Expensify through that lens. What does Expensify offer? Primarily, it's an expense management platform. You can upload receipts, categorize expenses, generate reports, and even get reimbursed. It's all done through their web application or mobile app. And how do you access it? Through a subscription. They have different tiers, from individual users to small businesses and larger enterprises, each with varying features and pricing. This certainly sounds like SaaS. But here's where the nuance comes in. While the core offering and delivery model are unequivocally SaaS, some companies build additional layers or unique features that can sometimes blur the lines, or at least spark a discussion. Does Expensify have a strong focus on integration with other financial systems? Absolutely. Do they offer card programs and direct reimbursement features that go beyond just software? Yes, they do. Their Expensify card, for instance, adds a financial product dimension to their offering, making it more than just a software platform for expense reporting. This isn't to say they aren't SaaS, but rather to highlight that the modern SaaS company often extends its reach. Many SaaS providers are now embedding fintech solutions, payment processing, or even hardware components into their ecosystems. Think about Square or Shopify. They started with software but have expanded significantly into hardware and financial services. So, for Expensify, while their foundational product and delivery method are definitively software as a service, they've also evolved to become a more comprehensive financial tool for businesses. They're not just selling you software, they're aiming to streamline your entire expense workflow, from the moment a purchase is made to the final reimbursement, often by integrating financial products directly into their platform. This holistic approach, while still rooted in software, showcases the evolving landscape of what a SaaS company can encompass. They're a prime example of a SaaS company that understands the broader needs of their users and builds out services that extend beyond just the digital application. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.